And we're now inside our room here at Leaf Beachfront Hotel here in Da Nang, Vietnam. I booked their executive ocean view room, which is 30 square meters, and this is good for couples. I booked this in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, if you use my code OAW Agoda, you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide. So as you enter the room, there's the toilet and bath, which I will show you later. And over here is a wash area. And they provide basic toiletries such as dental kits, comb, cotton buds, and shower cap. So our room comes with a full-length mirror. We have here a luggage rack, and by the way, they also provide hotel slippers. And over there is an open closet. Of course, you can hang your clothes here, and they also provide bathrobes. So we have here a safety deposit box. There's a hair dryer, and the room also comes with a mini fridge. And inside are sodas and beer. Of course, if you consume this, you'll be charged upon checkout. And our room comes with a huge cake-size bed. And if you love watching YouTube or Netflix, you will enjoy here because our room comes with a smart TV. And we have some Vietnamese snacks here. Of course, if you consume this, there's charge upon checkout. And we also have a coffee and tea set up, and they provide complimentary coffee and tea. The Leaf Hotel has a restaurant downstairs. They also allow in-room dining here. And if you need assistance, there's an intercom. And we have electric kettle. This area can also serve as a work area. For me, the highlight of our room is the sea view. So we have a balcony here, and look at our view from here. Let's now check the ensuite toilet and bath. And the toilet and bath is neat and clean. And of course, we have hot and cold shower. And they also provide shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Okay, we're finally done with our room tour, and so far, I really like our room here at Leaf Beachfront Hotel here in Da Nang, Vietnam. We get to have the beautiful view of the My Khe Beach here at Da Nang. And at the same time, our room is neat and clean, and it's actually stylish. As what I've mentioned, I booked a room here in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we get to have additional discount because of my code. It's OAW Agoda. So if you use that code, you can get up to 10% off, not just here in Da Nang, but in hotels worldwide. And if you're planning to do activities such as tours, airport transfers, or if you're buying an eSIM, you can also do that in Agoda. Plus, I have a discount code for Agoda activities. Just use the code OAW Activity and you can get up to 10% off as well in your activities. And by the way, apart from Agoda, you can also get huge discounts if you're a Klook user. Just simply visit oawtravel.com or scan the QR code here to go to my Klook Creator Shop. From there, you can redeem discount coupons and book your hotels and activities. And by the way, we had an early flight from Manila. So we actually arrived here around 8:30 a.m. But the check-in time is at 2 p.m. So we had to wait for a bit. So if you're visiting Da Nang and you have an early flight, please note of the check-in time. And speaking of time, it's now time for a quick hotel tour. If you're a senior or a person with disability on a wheelchair, don't you worry, they have an elevator here. So we're going to the 9th floor where the pool is. And we're now at the pool area of Leaf Beachfront Hotel. And they also have beach beds here. And imagine from here you get to see the beach. And if you smoke, there's also a smoking area. And let's now go to the ground floor. So there's the restaurant, and they also have a bar here. Over there is the reception area. And here are the dining areas in the restaurant. So there's the facade of Leaf Beachfront Hotel. And I really like here at Leaf because just beside it, there's a convenience store and there's also a stall there where you can buy fruit juices, smoothies, and even coffee. And on the other side, there's another convenience store. So there's the convenience store and there's a banh mi stall here. So I'll order banh mi and salted coffee. Can I take a video? Yeah. Thank you. Can I stay here? And imagine with just few steps away, you get to enjoy the beautiful My Khe Beach. As what you can see, there are less crowds here, less tourists. If you're someone who doesn't want crowds, this is a perfect area for you here in Da Nang. Time check is 6:30 p.m. We actually fell asleep earlier. And by the way, they do have an in-house restaurant here which is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And of course, we'll try their food here. So let's now go downstairs to have our dinner. Okay, so for our dinner, I ordered this chicken and we also ordered tempura and pineapple fried rice for Jen. Okay, let's taste the chicken. Mm. Okay, we're done with our dinner and we're now back in our room. And by the way, commuting here in Da Nang is very easy. You can book a grab car or a grab motorcycle. As what I've mentioned earlier, Leaf Hotel is just near the Dragon Bridge. And every Fridays to Sundays, there's actually a Dragon Bridge show which happens at 9 p.m. And of course, you'll have to witness it. So we're now booking our grab car going to the Dragon Bridge. So we're now here on the riverside. It's just across the Son Tra Market. And we'll be witnessing the Dragon Show. So if you're visiting here, I highly recommend you come here around 8 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. So nakaupo na tayo dito. Free naman to mga upuan dito. And you can also order some drinks. And we have buko. And I also ordered some snacks here, which is corn. Anyway, the breakfast here is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And it's my first time to try pho here in Vietnam. But it's actually a dry pho. So tikman natin. Sarap. Sarap din. Okay, by the way, they have a Wi-Fi here. And let's now check the internet speed. Let's now have a quick review of Leaf Hotel here in Da Nang, Vietnam. First is the location. As what I've said, this is in a less crowded area. So if you're someone who's introvert and you don't want crowded and noisy areas, this is a perfect hotel for you. And of course, this is just few steps from My Khe Beach. So if you're someone who's looking for a beachfront hotel here in Da Nang that is actually affordable, you should consider this hotel. And as for the room, I really love our room here. We really had a restful stay, and of course, for me, the highlight is the relaxing view of the beach. Next, the value for money. For me, this is truly value for money because the rates are actually affordable compared to other beachfront hotels here in Da Nang. And at the same time, you get to stay in a nice room in a good location. Again, I book our stay here in Agoda because when I checked, the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, I have discount code which is OAW Agoda. If you're a Klook user, I highly recommend you visit oawtravel.com or scan the QR code here, redeem discount coupons, and book your hotels and activities in my Klook shop.